geniuses. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting though. So let's see, can we open this with MPV? Yeah, see, so I'm sure this should... Yeah, this will detect way more text now. So let's run this again. I'm curious here. We're gonna delete all of the output frames. No, we're at 180 or like 1080. Don't delete these, extract the text. Alright, let's try again. Been seen detect sample invasions. What's the name? 5 FPS, okay. Oh. There we go. So, yeah, see, like extracting the images is actually super fast. Or like extracting the output frames. And now we know that at frame 500, it should detect the host vanquished. And I think it should also be able to... Wait, where is it? So at least I hope that it will be able to read you died. Which is at 546. So yeah, the OCR task takes the longest. I mean, I did not time this yet, but that I can like do in parallel for sure. If it's not doing it already. Let's see. Yeah, there's almost like no CPU usage from Tesseract. How much is Ruby using? Nothing. Do we have like a GPU history? What's the GPU usage here? Yeah. Yeah, I'm lucky that I have that I have a faster laptop than before. Like the M1 Pro is an amazing processor. Although I'm not recording the stream onto the hard drive today. So I gotta like extract it from Twitch at the end. But yeah. I'm wondering right now, is there a possibility that allows me to... Actually, let's ask ChatGPT. Can Tesseract support GPU for faster processing? So, Tesseract alternate or OCR detection that uses GPU. Everything except DC OCR materials are focused on performing OCR on our CPU, but what if you could instead apply OCR on our GPU? Okay. Text detection OCR models are deep learning based. Couldn't these models run faster and more efficient on a GPU? The answer is yes, they absolutely can. Nice. How to take efficient and accurate scene text detection East model and run it on OpenCV's DNN deep neural network module using NVIDIA GPU. So right now I'm wondering fly.io NVIDIA GPU. interesting. So I actually might have to ask my friend here, Tulpa. He just finished the prototype of Shortie, which is a, how do you call that? Yeah, it says here, AI enhanced video editor that makes creating short form content a breeze. Let me see, account to have that. Yeah, here, he wrote this and it's super cool. So this is using AI. So you upload a video file, and then once you have the video file uploaded, it will create a transcript of whatever is spoken. And funnily enough, this is in Swiss German, so like the video is in Swiss German, but it's almost perfectly translate everything into like High German or like written German. And then you can like just select your text that you want, and then it will create a video clip. Only like from this text, and it will like create all of the captions. And then what you can also do is you can like have different aspect ratios, so you can like just post it on Instagram, which is super cool. And why am I showing you this? It's because he's apparently using Fly.io. So every time somebody like uploads a video, it will like fire up a instance Fly GPU, which will do all of the calculations. So I'm actually wondering if I can have a command line tool, and instead of using my local GPU, it will like fire up a Fly.io instance and do all of the text recognition using the Fly GPU. Because right now, I mean, this thing is still running. Let's see if we, well, it just finished, I guess. Don't remember the frame, like what was it? 500 or something. I mean, we can like just extract the text. You died. There we go. We can actually identify the text now. Frame 547. Let's see. So we have the text here and the output frames here. 507. No, wait. 547. Sorry. You died. It's actually insane because somehow this one it can read and this one it cannot read. Interestingly enough. I guess if we bump it up to 1080p, it could work even better. So how big is this folder? So from a 3-minute clip downscaled to 1080p, we're successfully detecting you died on screen and host vanquished. And that's 3 minutes, it's 50 megs. And now if we look at our actual like file sizes, well not sizes, let's see, that's 1 hour 22. Oh, interesting that it's like longer, but I think usually I have like clips of 1 hour, so that's so let's say 3 minutes is 50 megs, and then the question is how much is 60 minutes, so that would be 50 multiplied by 60 divided by 3 minutes, which would be wait, is that right? 1K, which would be 100. Would that be 1 gig? Do I have that right, Loops? Yeah, okay. Sounds about right. So for every video, I would then have like 1 gigabyte, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gigs. It's for this stream. which is I think 6-hour stream. Yeah, probably 6-hour stream. Oh, 9. No, this is a 9-hour stream. So 9 gigs, 9-hour stream. Improve the speed and then just implement all of the coding. I guess we could make that work at one point. Let me think. I mean, it will like still take some processing power, but it's better than doing it from hand, I guess. So one thing I still need to do. So let's say we know that. The frame is at 506 for host vanquished. Well, the manual scanning and coding is not that hard in Final Cut Pro. I can actually do it really quickly. But what I want in the end, and the issue with Final Cut Pro is that there you just have like the cuts, right? But what I want at the end is really have a single file for every invasion. That's the biggest goal here. So that I can like just like look at different files and say, okay, I want that invasion for my video and that invasion for my video. That invasion sucked, I just delete the file. Just to basically clean up my external hard drive, which is like always filling up. I showed this at the beginning of stream, but usually like every stream I create a new folder and then there are like videos in there. But starting from like next month, I want not sorted by stream, but by invasion or by duel, whatever. I mean, actually, let's see. Could you do it for arena as well? Yeah, you would like just include victory and defeat as well. And that would actually allow you to identify the clips that are relevant. I mean, you could even like cut the arena clips from commands to victory or defeat. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, one last thing that I want to do before we wrap stream here is just to see what calculations I need to do, because we're at frame 506 at 5 frames and we need to revert that, and the question is like, how do I calculate that? So question, let's see if ChatGPT has the answer. I downscale the videos from 60 FPS to 5 FPS. Once I have identified the text I'm looking for, in this example the text is at frame, what was it? 506 of a 3-minute and 30-second video. How would I calculate the exact frame on the 60 FPS version from the 5 FPS version? I think that's, I hope ChatGPT understands me here. To calculate the corresponding frame in the original 60 FPS video. Sorry, the camera is in the way here. Downsampled FPS, so you can use a simple proportion based on the frame rates of the two versions. The key here is to understand that the frame rate ratio between original and the downsampled video tells you how many original frames correspond to one frame in the downsampled videos. Original frame rate 60, 50, blah blah blah. Ooh, math. We're doing math, baby. Yeah, this is... I didn't sign up for math. Me neither. Corresponding frame in 60 FPS version. Wait, corresponding frame 60, 10 frame, 5 original frame rate, downsample frame rate. Huh? The corresponding frame in the original 60 FPS version based on the added frame at 506 in the FPS is frame 6072. Okay, so in FFmpeg, how can I identify the exact timestamp for frame yeah, me too. Like I don't even like read the math formula. To find the exact timestamp for a specific frame in a video, you can use the frame rate FPS on the video and the frame number blah blah blah. Given that you have the frame number and you know the frame rate is 60, you can plug these values in the formula blah blah. What the fuck is that? Aha, okay, so it gives me 102. Okay, let's try this. So we go to the original video, the samples, and then here we have the invasion samples. So we say FFmpeg -ss and then 101.2 invasion sample.mp4 dash frames v1 dash q v2 output frame.jpg. Let's go. We got it.